Hello guys, in this video we will see how to fix unable to connect to servers in Fortnite Pub. We'll cover everything you need to know. Let's get started.
Step 1. Check Fortnite server status. Content before attempting any local troubleshooting. Always confirm the official status of Fortnite servers. Navigate to the Epic Games status page, status Epic Games.com or Epic Games official support Twitter's account if the servers are experiencing an outage, maintenance or known issues. The unable to connect to servers error is expected and requires no action from your end other than waiting for Epic Games to resolve the problem. This step helps differentiate between a widespread server issue and a problem with your specific setup.
Step: verify your internet connection and restart browser. Content have unstable or non-existent internet connection is a common cause for connectivity issues. First, ensure your device, console, or mobile is properly connected to your network, either via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Run a speed test from a reliable source like Speedtested to confirm you have adequate bandwidth and a stable connection. If issues are detected, power cycle your router and modem by unplugging them from the power outlet for at least 60 seconds. Then plugging them back in and waiting for them to fully restart and establish an internet connection before retesting Fortnite. Step: restart Fortnite and your gaming system. Content temporary glitches or corrupted processes within the game or your operating system can lead to connection failures. Fully close the Fortnite application. Do not merely minimize it once closed. Completely restart your gaming platform, whether it's a PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo Switch, or mobile device. A full system restart clears RAM, refreshes network components, and resolves many minor software conflicts that might be preventing a successful connection to Fortnite servers.
Step: with flushed and catch and reset network settings. Content corrupted and catches or misconfigured network settings can hinder your ability to connect to game servers on Windows. Open command prompt as administrator and type the config flushes, then press enter for console users. Navigate to your system's network settings and look for an option to restore default settings or cleared and catch if available on some platforms. Resetting your network adapter for restoring factory network settings. Consoles can resolve deeper connectivity issues by re-establishing a fresh connection to your internet service provider.
Step: reinstall Fortnite or contact Epic Games support. Content: if all previous steps fail, a corrupted game installation might be the root cause. As a last resort, you install Fortnite completely from your device, then download and perform a clean reinstallation of the game. This ensures all game files are fresh and intact. If the unable to connect to servers error persists, even after a clean reinstall, gather any error code screenshots and the detailed list of all troubleshooting steps you have attempted. Then contact Epic Games support directly through their official website for personalized assistance.